I'm Aditya Jha from Mohali. I have just completed a 6 months Python course from ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Even though I did not have any prior computer experience, Sunil sir very patiently taught every concept related to Python. He gave many numerous real life examples. Even daily assignments were given to all the students, which helped a lot in our practice over the course of 6 months. At the end, we also developed a major project web application on e-commerce. I'll really recommend anyone who wants to learn Python, ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. They provide a really excellent atmosphere for learning all these computer related programs. Thank you.